Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Trust Wallet is not showing any balance. Let's begin. Now, if you haven't already, click the download button. And these are the platforms that you can download Trust Wallet. It's available for iOS, for Android, and for Chrome. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, if your Trust Wallet is not showing your balance, for example, in my case, I have $0 in my account. But if you believe like you have around $50, $20, $200, and $500 here or crypto inside your Trust Wallet and you can't find any values in here, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Now, if you are using the Trust Wallet on the extensions or on the official website, you might want to check if your internet connection is stable. Because as we all know, a poor connection can prevent your wallet from updating the balance. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. And also, you might want to check if you are using any proxy servers or VPNs, because that could potentially create and interfere with your Trust Wallet app, especially if you're using the Trust Wallet or as an extension or on the desktop client. After doing so, try to disable that to check if it's not causing the issue. Now, the next option that you can do if you're using the mobile. Now, this method works only if you are using an Android. I need you to go to the App Manager or App Management, depending on the brand of your mobile device, and you need to go to the app list. Once you are here, I need you to search for the Trust Wallet. And from here, we need to clear the cache and, of course, clear the storage. What will happen is if you do that, you would be able to fix temporary issues like bugs and glitches, all right? And again, as I've mentioned earlier, you need to check your internet connection. If you're using your mobile data and Wi-Fi, make sure these settings are correct. All right? And after doing so, if you delete the user data, what will happen is you will be logged out of your Trust Wallet account. But don't worry, because all you have to do is go to the Google Play Store and type in Trust Wallet and make sure you have installed the latest version of the app, because outdated version seems to are buggy and they tend to not show your balance. Otherwise, all you have to do is click on open to see if that would show you your balance along the way. But the thing is, if you still encounter any problems along the way, now I suggest you go to the Trust Wallet support and submit your ticket. All right? And from there, let's see if we get an answer. Typing your questions. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.